There's a good one. Big one. Real big one. Oh. Man, the wind is just gassing. But I don't get to pick the days I get to go, so you got to make the most of it. And when it's like this, man, about the only thing you can do is wind something fast, but they're not in that mode. You know, the water's still real cold, so you got to fish something down on the bottom. Just kind of scruffing along a little 325 rage swimmer. When you're fishing for these smallmouth, you just got to fish the conditions, you know. I mean, and the wind is something that you're going to deal with an awful lot, so you got to make the most of it. You know, you either got to fish with it, and a lot of times I will, especially to find an area where they're at. But man, once you find a good transition like this in the spring, that's where these fish are going to set up. So I'm just working it with a, you know, slower moving bait. I've got Ned rigs, I've got that, but that little 325 rage swimmer just skipped along the bottom is hard to beat. Solid.